Oh my god.
Big fucking mackerel. Shit.
Get him.
God damn. Holy fuck. I got some on the line. Oh, he's barely hooked.
Should I grab the line? Just throw it over.
Yeah, good enough.
Right behind you.
Nice.
Bagged him.
Good job. Damn, look at the size of that fucking mackerel.
Oh,
I've never caught
God.
a Spanish mackerel that big.
Whoa, dude, that's,
oh my
that's
god.
gotta be the biggest size.
I've never caught a Spanish mackerel that big. Oh, don't hold him over the side. Hold him over the side.
I want to measure.
I've lost many fish to it.
Okay. I believe you, I believe you. What kind of hookup is that, Frank?
That's what I'm saying. He swiped it
Yeah.
and he missed.
Okay.
And I hooked him in the freaking head.
Wow, dude, that's gotta be great eats. That's massive, man.
Hey, uncover his face.
That's a big fucking Spanish mackerel.
Wow.
I bet there's a whole shit ton of them down there.
Yeah, dude.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
They
it's
swim
not
in
just one.
schools.
It's 3 per person, right?
Oh no, you can keep more than that. Mackerels, I don't even know if there's a fucking bunch.
No. Then it's sweet.
Wow,
That's a
good
big
job,
old
Frank.
Spanish mackerel, man.
Hold him up, Frank. Hold him up. Ooh.
I got a fucking death grip on this guy. He's not going nowhere. I gotta stay on.
Look at that. That's right. That's right.
All right, check him in.